If your audio waveform is missing in Premiere Pro, if it's blank or just a straight line, there are three ways to bring it back depending on the cause. First, go to Edit, then Preferences, and select Audio. In the Audio tab, make sure Generate Waveform automatically during import is checked. This won't fix the issue right now, but it will prevent it from happening next time. To bring the waveform back immediately, select your audio clip, then click the wrench icon above the timeline and choose Show Audio Waveform. In some cases, that alone will restore it. You can also right-click the clip or select the clip, then go to Clip and choose Generate Audio Waveform from there. If it's still not showing, go to Window, then Workspace, and reset your workspace to the saved layout. This often forces the waveform to reappear. If none of that works, go to Edit, then Preferences, and select General. Then go to the Media Cache tab and delete all your media cache files. Save your project, restart Premiere Pro, and check the timeline again. One of these methods should bring your audio waveform back. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.